Hey guys, I hope everyone is really doing great and thanks for tuning in into my channel. Today I've shared a very simple and easy makeup look. I have created this look for a green silk saree. Obviously you can wear this look on any outfit. So if you want to know how I created this makeup, then please keep on watching. I have already cleansed my face. I'm removing the excess sweat and oil using a dry facial tissue. Then I'm going to moisturize my face using Derm Talk Skin Brightening Vitamin C Face Cream. Before applying any makeup, moisturizing your skin is very essential so that your makeup will glide on easily and looks natural and doesn't look cakey. And today is our 8th day of quarantine. This self-isolation is so boring. It's killing me like anything. And also it has given me time to create YouTube videos. I'm so happy about it. And also I'm active on social media after a long time. So yeah, let me know how you all are dealing with this. It's really getting bored for me. And after moisturizing, next I'm going to use a face primer, and I'm using this from NY Bay. It's a silicone based face primer. I'm applying it on my T-zone and on my cheeks where I have large pores. Also I'm moisturizing my lips. I'm using Nivea lip balm. And next I'm using an orange corrector from LA Girl, which is optional. If you don't have much dark circle or hyperpigmented area, you don't have to use this. I'm using it because I have some black marks here and there, and also if you use a high coverage foundation, you doesn't need this orange corrector. So just use it very little, because if you use it a lot, then it will show up orange on your face. And use it very little and blend it very well. Blending is the key. You must blend it well. I'm using a beauty sponge to blend the orange corrector. And next I'm using a concealer, and this is also from LA Girl. I'm using it on my under eyes and wherever I use the orange corrector. And this concealer is actually way too much lighter to my skin tone. And no, now I have tanned a lot, so now it's not matching my skin tone. And I'll give all the link and the product details in the description box. And I'm blending my concealer using this flat foundation brush from Color Bar. It's actually 4 to 5 years old. I don't know whether this brush is available. If it, I'll put the link in the description box. It really works well. You need only this brush to do your overall makeup. And next I'm going to apply a foundation from L'Oreal Paris, and the shade and everything I'll give it in the description box. Do check it out. It's a very liquidy medium coverage foundation. I've taken 3 dots. Actually I just need 1 dot to do my overall face because I've actually loaded a lot of concealer, and I'm just lightly applying it, very slightly, and blending it well. A very important tip which I learned from my own experience, that when you're using any makeup, it could be concealer or foundation, use it very little in the sense you can actually build it up if you need, but once you applied it a lot, then you can't reduce it. So just apply little by little, and also makeup, very little goes a long way. So use little makeup to get a natural look. And the next very important tip is to blend it well. You must blend your makeup well so that it is nicely absorbed into your skin. Take your time and slowly blend it well. Use a good blending brush or a beauty sponge, whatever is comfortable to you. You can either use your fingers, but you must make sure that it is nicely blended and doesn't look patchy. Another tip is to use a shade which is matching your skin tone and your undertone. Your skin undertone could be neutral, warm, or cool. According to that, you must choose a foundation. And then I'm setting my makeup using a loose powder from Spence. You can use a compact, but I like to use this loose powder because I have very oily skin, and this one helps a lot in controlling that oil. And I'm just lightly using it around my T-zone area and dabbing it all over my face. I haven't done my eyebrows for a long time, so it's all non-symmetrical and looking bushy. So I'm just going to brush it to remove the excess powder and foundation and leave it as such it is, because it's not in a good shape and I can't use a liner and shape it. It's already irregular, so I'm just going to leave it as such it is. And moving on to my eye makeup, I'm using a olive green shimmery eyeshadow, and using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just placing the shimmery eyeshadow on my eyelids. Next up, I'm using this dark brown eyeshadow from this nude eyeshadow palette. I'm using a round eyeshadow blending brush. I'm placing it in the outer corner and then blending it towards the crease, just to make sure that the eyeshadow is really blended well. I'm using an emerald green kajal for my waterline. You can use any colored kajal you like, and for this look I'm going for a green one, and I'll put the product name in the description. You can use any green kajal that you like. I'm using it on my waterline and on my lower lash line. Next up, I'm using a green eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette. I'm using a thick blending eyeshadow brush and picking up the shade and placing it over the kajal so that the kajal doesn't smudge and it is blended well. Next up, I'm using a black liquid eyeliner from NY Bay. Obviously, you can use any eyeliner of your choice, and this one is very jet black, so I like this eyeliner a lot, better than Lakme, so you can give it a try. I'm just drawing a very simple basic wing liner. For my lips, I'm using a semi-matte peachy brown lipstick. This is from Darling Isabella in the shade number 10, Sassy Scarlet Royalty. It's a nice shade actually, and I'm gonna use the same lipstick as my blush, and I'm not gonna contour or highlight my face. Actually, contouring, I don't like it much, and then highlighting, I have oily skin, so do I need to highlight? It's already glowing. And next up, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Now I'm using a golden eyeshadow, a golden or a bronze eyeshadow, to highlight my inner corners of my eyes and then under my eyebrows. And finally, to give a small finishing touch, I'm applying a small black bindi, and being a South Indian, definitely I have to. And that's it, my makeup look is completed. I hope you like this makeup look. Please let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion or any video request, please write it down in the comment section, and also follow me on my Instagram. I'll give the handle name over the screen or in the description. Do follow me on my social medias. Until next time, take care, bye bye, be safe and stay home. Bye.